Very misty, you can't even see the sea. Been misty on and off all morning. And I got up at 5 o'clock when I went down to the beach for photography. I could feel it was a bit wet, but it wasn't as misty as now. First time since I've been here that I've heard a fish eagle, and I think that's it flying up there, or there's actually two of them. And then again, the whole week it's been raining and funny weather, bad weather, but so lovely to hear the fish eagle. Now that I'm filming, not calling. Looks like it's two of them there. If those are not the fish eagles, there's definitely a fish eagle here somewhere. Place that I've been many times before, taking lots of motorsport photographs. And the last time I was here, at least I could go around the track with my car, but I was hoping to go around the track with my van. But Mercedes is here testing, so unfortunately I can't do it, so I can only do a bit of video standing next to the track. I just got to my next stop over, Bonaflora. The signboard at the gate says Bonanza, but it's Bonaflora Park. Good morning, Wednesday morning. What a peaceful morning. There you go, fish eagles. Really hard did I start, but the fish eagle was first this morning. I heard fish eagles this morning early already. Stunning hearing the fish eagles calling. About half an hour before sunrise, and there the moon is setting. Driving here yesterday, I was surprised coming through East London. I expected a lot of traffic, but there was no traffic whatsoever. One place there was roadworks, and it was down to one lane, but still, even with that, no traffic. So it was a pleasant drive coming here. No idea how the telecom tower work around here. Yesterday the signal was strong. I even downloaded a movie, so no signal this morning. No idea what's happening with telecom. Good morning, Thursday morning. Time to move on again. Just going to the shop. Shop's just down the road about a kilometre, and then going to our next stop about 5 kilometres away from here. Just got to Areena Riverside, and definitely not what I expected. Whatever I've watched on YouTube and Google that I saw pictures. This looks so much better. So anyway, lots to video around here and looking forward to staying here for a couple of days. And I believe they've got lekker fish and chips. I'll be here tonight for that. Good morning, Friday morning. Peaceful. Only thing you hear is the birds. Bunnies are moving around early in the morning. I've got 2 visitors this morning. Why are you running away now? You're feeling guilty, hey, Doug? Hey, what are you up to? Look at you. Look at you. You are full of mud.